Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Last time we talked about the future, our plans, goals, and dreams. But today we're doing the opposite. Right, Steve?
Exactly. Today we're going back in time. We'll learn how to talk about the past. Things you did, places you visited, and moments you'll never forget.
That sounds exciting. I love talking about memories.
Let's start with the past simple tense. We use it for actions that started and finished in the past.
So, like, yesterday I watched a movie, or last week I visited my parents.
Exactly. Those are perfect examples. The structure is simple. Subject plus past form of the verb. For example, I played football yesterday. She cooked dinner last night.
What about irregular verbs?
Ah, yes, those are special. You have to memorize them, like go, went, see, saw, buy, bought, eat, ate, have, had.
Right, those are tricky. So instead of I go to the park, I say I went to the park.
Exactly, you've got it. Now, when we talk about the past, we often use time expressions like yesterday, last week, last month, in 2020, 2 days ago, a few years ago.
So I can say I traveled to Paris 2 years ago, or I met my best friend last summer.
Perfect. These time expressions make your sentence clear. Everyone knows when it happened. Now, there's another important tense for the past. The present perfect.
That one always confuses me.
Don't worry, you'll get it today. We use the present perfect to talk about experiences, something that happened at an unspecified time in your life.
Hmm, can you give an example?
Of course, I have visited London. I have eaten sushi. I have never seen snow.
Oh, so it's not about when, it's about the experience itself.
Exactly. If the time is not important, we use have plus past participle.
So, I've been to Japan means sometime in my life, but not exactly when.
Perfect explanation.
Okay, let me see if I understand. If I say, I went to Japan last year, I'm using past simple because I say when. But if I say, I've been to Japan, I'm using present perfect because I don't say when.
Exactly. That's the key difference. You use past simple for specific times and present perfect for life experiences.
Steve, have you ever been to Africa?
Yes, I have. I went to Kenya 5 years ago. It was amazing. The people, the food, the landscapes, unforgettable.
That sounds incredible. I've never been to Africa, but I'd love to go someday.
You should. And what about Asia? Have you been there?
Yes, I've been to Thailand and Japan. I went to Bangkok last year. The food was delicious.
Ah, Thai food. Now I'm hungry.
You always think about food, Steve.
Okay, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence in the present perfect. You make one in the past simple.
I've seen that movie. I saw that movie last weekend.
Perfect. I've met interesting people.
I met an amazing artist yesterday.
Nice. I've tried sushi.
I tried sushi when I went to Japan.
Excellent. Now you sound natural. Now, let's talk about personal memories, the stories from your past.
Oh, I love stories.
Tell me about one of your favorite memories.
Hmm. I remember my first concert. It was 3 years ago. My friends and I waited for hours, and when the band finally came on stage, everyone was singing and dancing. It was such a happy moment.
That sounds amazing. See how you used past simple all the way through. Perfect storytelling tense. Let's try one more. We often use present perfect with the first time.
Like it's the first time I've eaten Mexican food.
Exactly. You can also say, it's the first time I've seen snow, or it's the first time I've driven a car.
So I can say, it's the first time I've done yoga.
Perfect example. Let's look at a few common mistakes learners make. People often say, I have went. Wrong. The correct form is, I have gone.
Oh, yes, because the past participle of go is gone.
Exactly. Also, don't say, I did go yesterday, unless you really want to emphasize it. Normally, you just say, I went yesterday.
Got it.
Let's review what we learned today. Use past simple for finished actions and specific times. I went to Paris last year. Use present perfect for experiences with no time. I've been to Paris. Use have, has plus past participle. Add ever, never, already, or just to sound natural.
That's really clear now. I've learned a lot today.
And that's present perfect. Well done.
Thank you, and I'll remember it forever. That's past simple.
Perfect combination.
All right, everyone, it's your turn. Write in the comments 2 sentences. One about something you did last week, and one about something you've never done.
That's a great way to practice. And remember, every memory you share helps you speak better English.
Beautifully said, Steve. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.